Okay, so here is the after look. It's not really pretty, but it will definitely suffice for now. So stay tuned. We're hunkered down. Oh, jeez. I hate snow. Have I said that yet? All right, Kapper here, and it is, man, it's cold out. Or snowy, I should say. It is January 15th, 2018. It's been snowing all day on top of the roughly 4 inches we got the other day, and I was hoping to not have to plow the driveway. But it's remaining cold, so Mrs. Kapper's got to get out to work. I have to get out to every now and then for whatever I need to. So it's time to get the Kioti going and try to plow some snow. All right, let's see if the Kioti wants to start. Pretty sure she will. It's a little warmer in here than it is outside. Piece of cake. All right, it's not how I wanted to start. You know, I bought this quick attach for a reason, backed up, and I was afraid of this, but I don't have the bushings on, all right? You see how skinny that is there? I don't have any of all 3 of the bushings because I'm short. I don't have enough for all the implements I've got, so I've got to drop it all, go get the bushings, and with the bushings on. It's just more of a pain than anything, really. Okay, it's more than just a pain now. The bottom ones are fine. I'll steal a pair off of one of the implements, but all of these implements welded. That's bolted. I'm not going to pull that all apart. The tree spade is welded. The planter is welded, so I got to find what I did with that other top bushing that I had on one of these implements. Alright, I just saw a coyote or a fox cross right in front of me here. This is why I hate this stuff. I moved south and I didn't bring my snow gear because I listened to my research and all the people I talked to and all the internet research about hardly ever even snows here, and if it does snow, it melts in a day or two. There's a deer. Let me show you some wildlife. 3 deer right there, and that fox or that coyote ran across right up here. There's a bunch of more deer in the neighbor's field there. 3 of them just took off, and there's a couple left there you can see. That is beautiful, seeing a lot of wildlife. Oh crud, there's more deer over here, look at that. Nice. They must like the Kapper woods. That's management at work. Alright, we're rolling, man. We're plowing snow. Cutting all the way down. Getting not much gravel.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be. Outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
There's a look from the cockpit. It's pretty, but it's ugly. I remember why I hate this stuff so much. It's fun to look at when you're inside, though. I'm just planning on making one pass up and one pass back just to clean the majority of it off. stay tuned. We're hunkered down. Oh, jeez. I hate snow. Have I said that yet? This is why we moved out of Green Bay, to get the heck away from this garbage. Oh, there goes the back for a few days. Anyways, whatever I was saying was I'm hunkered down with it, just like a lot of you, with this polar vortex getting this far south. So we're stalled for a little while, but we'll be back on our feet soon. So until next time.